Hey friends, if you wish to fix d3dcompiler 43.dll is missing error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So it's not very difficult to solve. Here's what you have to do. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution will be to reinstall the Microsoft C++ Visual Redistributable. So search for Microsoft C++ Redistributable package and then go to Microsoft C++ Redistributable downloads. Select Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. Scroll down and select the x84 version unless you have a 32-bit computer, and in that case the x86 one. But since I have a 64-bit computer, I'll select the second one and just click on open. Wait for a few seconds. It will try to repair your system if it's not already installed. Click on repair and that's it. It will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.